Hello and welcome back to HLS Crypto. My name is Dan. So KASPA will make millionaires. Now, just before we get into the video, I just want to mention as well that there is someone pretending to be me in the comments. So if you see that, obviously block it, report it, do whatever you have to do. I've had a word with YouTube, so he's got the same profile picture as me, but there's like a little white circle around it. I think that's one of the key ways of telling the difference. And he's trying to link you to some sort of WhatsApp or something like that. It's definitely not me. Don't interact with it at all. It isn't me. You should know when I comment, you'll see it's from me, and that's definitely not from me. So just want to make sure that you stay safe and don't fall for any scams. And essentially, that's the most important thing. So KASPA, for those of you who are unfamiliar with KASPA, because we've had a lot of new subscribers recently, KASPA is a block DAG. It's the fastest open source, decentralized, and fully scalable layer one in the world. The first block DAG, a digital ledger, enabling parallel blocks and instant transaction confirmation built on a robust proof of work engine with rapid single second block intervals, built by industry pioneers led by the people. I'm not going to go through the entire website because there are KASPA videos on the website for you to come and have on the YouTube channel to come and have a look at. But that's just the website essentially. You have a look at it yourselves. Then we look at this, which I think is one of the key, most important parts, the block DAG architecture. So this is its tokenomics. With rapid block rates allows more mining decentralization and enables effective solo mining even at a lower hash rate. Now, this is the key thing. Fair launched. So KASPA was fair launched. There is no massive team holding a big chunk of the token itself ready to dump on you, which is fantastic, as KASPA is absolutely smashing its all-time high right now. So it's something that you should really bear in mind when looking at this. Here's a great bit on x.com as well by at Fibonacci. Moberg. Bitcoin failed in fulfilling to be the peer-to-peer digital cash system. It's okay and has positioned itself successfully as a store of value, but KASPA has succeeded in laying the fundament, I think it means fundamental, to what Bitcoin was meant to be, the trilemma being solved. It is able to have people transact with one another in secure, fast, and almost infinitely scalable manner. I've said before how important scalability is. The world can transact faster than you would tapping your credit card to pay while no government can censor it. The last bit is particularly important with CBDCs coming to live. Look at China's social credit scoring system. When you combine these with CBDCs, you have a serious risk of people getting locked out of the financial system. I agree with that. I don't agree with the policy, but I agree with what he's saying. And I think it's something that we need to obviously look at. Having KASPA as an emergency option to fuel a parallel economy is more important than most realize today. And again, I agree with that. They will if and when the above becomes more tangible. The people don't need governments to transact value, but they need us to keep their power. Always keep that in mind. I think that's quite key. So Jonathan Sopolinsky, who obviously is the founder of the KASPA token, was asked why not fiat, and he replied, because fiat supply is inflated unpredictability, because the political printing of money is corrupting the democratic sphere, posting the political debate on allocation of money instead of creation of wealth, because regulators are attempting to control financial transactions, eliminate cash, restrict economic freedom. We reiterate cryptocurrency's golden traits: predictable, issuance, and censorship resistance. So very key to keep in mind. KASPA's community, by the way, is absolutely phenomenal. There was a post from Tangem, who were making their own KASPA designed wallets on their cards, which is absolutely fantastic. And they look really, really good. I didn't get one. I have got a Tangem, but not a KASPA one. I really want one. They look really, really good. But the reason, and again, I'll show you how important the KASPA community is. They've obviously said their sincerest thanks to the KASPA community and its team, who helped us steer this project to its successful end. It's always great to work with such professional and engaged individuals. Who knows, maybe we shall repeat the whole thing with a design sometime soon. And with anything with KASPA, if you put a poll about KASPA, they've asked, do you want another design next year? Or no, that will do. 83.7% of the KASPA holders and KASPA community have said another design next year, please. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm definitely going to get when that comes out. They look really good. Again, it's a bit of KASPA news. Obviously, its max supply is 28.7 billion. CoinGecko ranking currently at 46. I think that's even gone up as we've been on this video, to be honest. I think they've gone to 44 now, I believe. Very soon, the top 10 and the block reward is gradually decreasing. This is also something that happened with KASPA today. 1.5 million in KASPA shorts have just got blown out of the water. So people who are leverage trading, things like that, anyone who's shorting KASPA during this phase, $1.5 million has just been ripped out of that, essentially, because KASPA knows only one way, and that appears to be up. Have a little look at this as well. So market cap of KASPA right now, with its current market cap, if it had ADA's current market cap, you'd be getting at 54. You'd be hitting KASPA at 54 cents, which is just under a 10x. But what's really interesting is if you do it to its all-time high, 69x, so nearly a 70x, essentially, would put KASPA at a price of $4.43. I think that's very realistic. I think $5 is looking more and more likely now for KASPA as we go forward. If you look at the KASPA price right now, it's at 0.6. It's at 6 cents, essentially, 6.3. So it's hit its all-time high, which is fantastic. It's also this as well. Where is she? Here she is. It's superb. That's what it is. It certainly is superb. KASPA, what more can be said about it? It's absolutely phenomenal. It's flying really, really high. Here's the 24-hour chart, looking brilliant. Again, the max chart just looks like, the best chart in crypto. When it loads, it'll appear, but it is just sensational. Look at that. It's got another vertical line. It's building the right way. There's no big dumps. They're just up, little corrections, up, little corrections, up. Are you too late to get into KASPA? In my opinion, absolutely not. Will we ever see the prices of 4 cents, things like that again? Probably not. I don't think so. I think this is going to keep going up. So if you haven't taken a position, it might be worth thinking about it now. The all-time high is, well, we're in it now. We're basically going into price discovery, which is excellent. And I think this will just continue and continue and continue. KASPA is phenomenal. Also, quick word on PlaysApp. PlaysApp, we spoke about on the channel, I think about a week ago, is up 23.6% in the last 24 hours. So that's pretty crazy. But yeah, KASPA, it's going to make millionaires. It absolutely will. You can see that, it's just constantly doing what it needs to do. The price is constantly going up. And I'm a massive fan of KASPA. I'm a massive fan of the KASPA community. They welcomed me in with open arms when I was kind of trying to get a lower entry rate. My entry rate now looks pretty good. So the KASPA community were right. Will we see a little retracement? Maybe we will. I think in the whole of crypto, there's got to be a little bit of a retracement. I think maybe, in the run up to Christmas. And then if we do get a little bit more of a retracement, I'll definitely be getting more KASPA. But I am continuing to DCA into this every month. Hopefully you've got your DCA strategy sorted as well. Massive thank you as well to every new subscriber and all subscribers that we've had previously as well. That's going really, really well. We're really closing in now on 1,500 subscribers. So thank you very much for that. I do appreciate every single one of you. Comment below. Do you hold KASPA? If you do, I bet you're over the moon right now. If you like this video, please smash the like button. I always appreciate when you guys do that. Wherever you are in the world right now, whatever you're doing, have a great day, have a great evening. And as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy. Goodbye.